So it was my birthday last week, and guess what I got for myself? So I got the Nespresso Essenza Mini, which also comes with the Aeroccino machine, and I got it at a discount. I was so excited and so happy when I checked out, and now let's unbox this together. Alright guys, so this is what it comes with: the machine, the Aeroccino machine, and 7 pieces of the capsules. So why did I pick this type of Nespresso over the other ones? It's simply because this one is compact. Mind you, living in New York City, it means the apartment size is literally shoebox sized. And besides, it gives me what I need, which is espresso, cappuccino, and that's it. I don't even have the time to explore much further about all this coffee thing. Another reason why I chose this model is because it also gives me a $40 off for my first coffee purchase, the capsule purchase on the website. And this is for the coffee drip. Oops, let's start here. And this is the coffee pots. Yay! Welcome to Nespresso, yay! Ristretto, Capriccio, Voluto, Colombia, Istanbul Espresso, Stockholm Lungo, and Scuro. I'm excited. Let's take out the Aeroccino first. Ta-da! So for those who don't know what an Aeroccino is, it's basically a milk steamer, also a milk frother. It can be used for hot milk froth, cold milk froth, and hot milk, no froth. Okay. So it says it's Nespresso. Okay, and now the moment of truth. I'm taking out the machine. It's really compact size, they don't lie about it. This is only slightly bigger than my husband's hard disk storage. And it's not heavy. It's okay. There you go. Ta-da. So here's what it comes from the box. This is the Aeroccino machine. There is the, I don't know how you call this part, the frother perhaps. Okay, and this is what the machine looks like. It has these 2 buttons. I believe one is for espresso and the other one is for lungo. And here's the water tank, which is pretty easy to take off and then put on. And here's for the capsule or the pot to go in. And this part is made of like steel, it's not plastic, so I'm not worried about using this part a lot. And here's for the coffee drip. So just simply attach it here. Ta-da! And then here's where you can recycle the coffee capsule from. Alright, let's give it a start. I'm gonna rinse this first for my first use, as well as the water tank. There you go. Okay, so here I filled up the water, about half a tank. And we're just gonna click it here. Alright. I'm trying to make a latte here, but as you can see, my mug is way too big for here. I mean, it can fit, but I'll try to take this part off and see if this is better. Yep, I think this is better. Alright, so it's plugged in. I should start with the milk first, I think. Okay, let me take the milk. Alright, so as you can see, no, I think it's a little bit too dark. Can you see it? There you go. That's the one on top, and there's another one at the bottom. Alright, so as it says on AI, fill it to the bottom max line if you want to make a latte. That's it. So it's only about this much. It's really not a lot. Okay, and I'm gonna close the lid. Alright, we'll place it on the machine here. Let's get it running. Wow. Okay, the milk is done. It only took about 2 minutes, I think. And look at that. Wow, it's so frothy. So happy to see that. Now, I think I'm going to pick the Colombia one because it's already in the afternoon and I don't want something too intense. And I'm gonna save this one for my husband who's coming home from work soon. Now it's the exciting part. Okay, let's go with the Colombian coffee. Alright. And how do I turn this on? I think by pressing this. Okay, so when it's still blinking, that means it's heating up. Let's just wait for a while. It took less than 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna press the espresso button. It's pretty loud, but still okay. Smells so good. Now I'm gonna just pour in my stem milk. It's a little bit blur. I don't know if you can see this. Okay. All the frothy part is stuck here. So let me just manually place them here. This is kind of fun. And by the way, there's also an option if you don't want it to be this frothing, but perhaps if you want it to be more flat white-ish, so you just take off this whiz part. So just wash this part, and remember guys, when I mentioned that you can just take off the whiz part if you don't want a frothy kind of milk. So this is how you install it. It's magnetic, by the way, so just put it here. It automatically goes in, and if you want to take it out, just pull it. That's it. It's really easy. Okay. It's actually really good. So I got this deal at Costco, and I only paid for $163 altogether for the machine, the Aeroccino, and the 7 pieces of pots, which I think is a pretty good deal, right? And also the $40 voucher. So I'm really happy I got this machine, and hopefully it lasts long. Thank you for watching this video, guys.